And I want to share with you how these lessons look like so that you are able to take the most benefit of them. So give me a second to change to them. So here it is. So you will receive a link. And when you open the link, you will see something like this that you can open either in your phone or your computer. So this is the first lesson of the first unit. And you will start your content here where it says begin. So when you have it, you click in begin, and you will have the first content. We will ask you to watch a video. You can do it here, for example, watch a video or just continue with the arrow, and you will get to the video. Please unmute the video so that you can have all
What
the
is the
content.
purpose of parenting?
Or if you prefer just to watch it without it, you will have everything written there too. You navigate through the content with these arrows back, forward to the beginning with the home button. And we will ask you to reflect on some things. So for this, if you can have a notebook near to you that it's related to this program, because there are going to be many questions for you to reflect. And it's great when you are able to write it down. But if you cannot, you can also use your phone. And if you cannot, don't worry. Just think about it, okay? The idea is that this content can be seen and anywhere at any time. So here, for example, you have a couple of videos in the content, and then a time to reflect. It says complete the following. So here is the lessons are not interactive. So when we ask you to complete the following, is to complete it in your mind, right? We don't ask you to write anything there. It's not interactive, but please think about it, and if possible, write it down. We give some important information here, and then we ask you a challenge. And then, for example, to answer this question, again, if possible, write down your responses. If you cannot, just do it in your mind. We always finish with a quote um, addressing the organizations that make this possible. And then, something very important that when you get here, you scroll down and you will find this black arrow here. This is very important that you click because that will allow you to complete the lesson. So when you click the arrow, this will take you to a short quiz. So it's always a quiz of this kind that asks you something around the content of the lesson. You will not be graded or anything around it, but it's for us important that you answer the questions so that we know that you are engaged and that you're following up with the content of the lessons. So, for example, here you choose something, and it gives you the correct response. And then it asks you for your country code. It's very important for us to get your number. So, for example, in my case, I will choose Mexico, and then it asks you to enter your mobile number. And please confirm because sometimes we make mistakes. So that's why we ask you twice to do it. So you write it twice, and then you're done, basically. And it says, thank you for completing this lesson of the Joy of Parenting program. Right? So when you see that, you can be sure that you actually complete the lessons and that we have that information that you completed the lessons. And remember that in order to complete the program, to get your diploma and your surprise at the end of everything, we need you to fill out the surveys and complete the lessons in this way.